Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm actually, with the release of Dark Phoenix that's coming out this weekend, I decided to start a brand new review series, and that is I'm going to review every movie inside of the X-Men First Class trilogy. So that means we have 3 movies to cover. That is First Class, Days of Future Past, and X-Men Apocalypse, and then Dark Phoenix. So actually I decided to do something different. In this video, it's not just going to be First Class review. I'm doing X-Men First Class and X-Men Apocalypse review in one big video. So we're going to go over both of these films. X-Men Apocalypse, I decided to do that in its own video just because I wanted to. But anyway, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this by taking a look at the overview of X-Men First Class. So yeah, X-Men First Class, rated PG-13, 2001 drama fantasy, 2 hours and 12 minutes. Pretty cool. Rotten Tomato scores, 86%, popcorn meter, 87%. IMDb scores 7.7 out of 10. Metacritic 65%, and 92% of people like this film, so pretty good. 4 stars and 4% like 4% out of 5 like this movie, so that's pretty good. And then yeah, that's pretty much all that they have on the layout. Yeah. And now, yeah, so yeah, that's pretty much all they have on the layout. Now for me, let's talk about what I'm thinking. I really just love X-Men First Class. I think that I'm not going to tell you where it is on my ranking list, because I am going to be ranking the films when Dark Phoenix comes out. I really think that this is one of the better X-Men films. They do a good job of starting the franchise, but at the same time, I do have some problems with it. So that's why when I do my ranking video, you'll see why I have problems in certain ways. So at the end of the day, I'm gonna give this film a 4 out of 5 stars. I really just like it, and I'm going to go with an 8 out of 10. So that's what I think of X-Men First Class. Now let's jump into our second movie in this review, and that is X-Men Days of Future Past. Alright, so let's check it out. Alright, layout: X-Men Days of Future Past, PG-13, 2014, fantasy, sci-fi, 2 hours, 31 minutes, 8 out of 10 IMDb, 90% on Rotten Tomatoes, as well as 91% popcorn, so that's pretty good. Always good. And a 4 out of 5 common scenes media. 95% of people like this film. 4 out of 5 stars. So yeah, that's what everyone had to say about it. Now let's go ahead and see what I have to say about it. I'm not spoiling where this is on my list, but I'm just gonna spoil one thing. On my ranking list, it's gonna be in the top 3. I love this film. It's one of my favorite X-Men films. It deserves the top 3, let me tell you. I really like this film. I think it does such an amazing job at continuing from X-Men First Class. So that's why I like it better than First Class. I think it does a really good job. Sorry for winking. My eyes kind of hurt. There's bright light shining in my face, but that's the light for the set. I just really like X-Men Days of Future Past. I think it does such a perfect job. So at the end of the day, this is one of the better X-Men films. And honestly, if I had to pick, if it was the matter of life or death, and I could only watch one X-Men movie out of the 11, I would pick this one. I would pick Days of Future Past because it is an amazing movie, and it's clearly one of the best. So in the end of the day, I'm actually gonna go with 4.5 stars out of 5. Take off some points, but it's still a good film. And I'm gonna go with the 9.6 out of 10. So big jump up from First Class, I think. Apocalypse, we'll review that either tomorrow or Thursday. No, wait, tomorrow's Tuesday. Either tomorrow or Wednesday, so I'll get to that. Anyway, thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe. Tell me how you review these, and peace out. Bye.